Good morning children and welcome to English class. Today I'll teach you a lesson from your Behive book. This is the very first chapter. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Before I move on to the summary, let us see the main characters of the lesson. Here, Tommy is a boy of 13 years old. Margie is a girl of 11 years old. Mrs. Jones is Margie's mother and county inspector is a person who checks errors in computers. This is the story of two young children, Margie and Tommy, who lives in the year 2157. At that time, the studies were done by the computers. One day, Tommy found a printed book and he was surprised because this type of books he had never seen in his life. One day, Tommy found a printed book and he was surprised to see this type of book because these children have never seen this type of books in their life. This type of book is used hundreds and hundreds years ago by their ancestors. Tommy told Margie that the book is about school. When Margie heard this, she was furious. She said that, why the people write about school? What is there in school to be written? Why she became furious? Why she started disliking to know more about the printed books? Children, because Margie hates school. And why she hates school? Because her geography teacher used to conduct test after test in geography in which her performance is worst and worst, due to which her mother, Mrs. Jones, were very upset. She was worried and she called for the county inspector. County inspector was a round little man. He was a jolly person. He came with the wires and dials, and that means he came with all the instruments which are required for repairing the computers. He greeted Margie and gave her an apple. Margie was very happy. She thought that this county inspector will make the Margie was very happy. County inspector discussed the problem from Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones told everything about the geography subject, why Margie is getting less and less marks in geography. After hearing all this, county inspector took the computer apart and started separating all the parts of the computer. When Margie saw him doing all these things, she was very happy. Why she was happy? Because she thought that this county inspector will never be able to set the parts correctly. But her prediction was wrong. County inspector was the expert. County inspector was the expert in computer. He arranged all the parts of the computer properly and put the computer in the study room of Margie. Margie became very sad. And after this, because she was thinking that she will get a maximum time to play and make fun. But when she saw the computer in her study room, she was very upset. Her mother was quite worried. She discussed the matter. What is wrong with Margie? Why she is not gaining good marks in geography? She is the average student. County inspector consoled Margie's mother that there is no fault in Margie's understanding. Her She is average in all the subject and even in geography also. There is a fault in geography sector and that I have repaired. Now there will be no complaint that Margi is poor in geography subject. After some time, Margi's mother called Margi to attend the class on computer. She was busy with communicating with she was busy in communicating with Tommy. She doesn't want to be separated. She was enjoying to know more and more about the old schools which was existed hundreds and hundreds years ago. Anyhow, Margi could not avoid her mother. She has to obey her mother and she came to her study room where the mathematics classes was going on. The mathematics teacher was on the screen and he was ready to teach the addition and subtraction of the fraction numbers. Margi was very sad. She was not paying attention what the teacher is teaching because she was dreaming and dreaming. She was thinking that how the children read, study in the olden times. That was the fun for the children. She was deeply dreaming and the lesson was going on the computer. With this, we come to an end of the summary. Hope the summary is clear to you. With this, we come to the end of the story. Hope you all have understood the lesson well. We'll meet with some other topic in the next class. Till then, keep revising the course and stay safe. Thank you.